This is David Sykes Superbikes. My name is Derek Staples. I'm the sales manager at David Sykes Superbikes and I've been here 30 years. We keep about 110 to 120 bikes in stock all the time. We are franchise dealers for Suzuki and franchise dealers for Yamaha, and obviously we keep a lot of second-hand motorcycles as well as. We have a fully equipped workshop with fully trained mechanics. We do servicing, MOTs, anything at all to do with motorcycle repairs. For all new riders from 50cc to 125cc, we set up a fully inclusive package which gives the customer CBT rider training, gives them a full face helmet, jacket, gloves, lock, tax, delivery and even AA breakdown recovery. We offer the best customer service anywhere at all in England. We sell bikes to all over the country, England, Ireland, Scotland, Wales. With 30 years of experience in the motorcycle market, we pride ourselves on our after-sales service, looking after people and just making people feel welcome when they come here. There's always a cup of coffee and a biscuit welcome for anybody who comes in the door, even if they're just out for a ride or just for a look.